Hey guys, I wanted to see if we could do a tutorial on these cute, look what I did. I just made this cute pinwheel. See how cute that is? And this one is 6x6. So this is a 3x3, and then I think that's 4 or 5, I think I said. Also, I've been making ribbon. You guys, I love making ribbon. This is that dollar ribbon from Walmart in that dollar bin back in the fabric section. And then I just sewed it with some Dollar Tree ribbon. It is far away, so gorgeous, right? So I've already made that. I'll use that on one of my projects. But I wanted to see, I know not everybody has a sewing machine. And this willow lane paper is not double-sided. So if it's not double-sided, you get something with white. I mean, what? How cute, oh my gosh! Okay, so, I love this so much, you guys. I don't know if it's my creation. I said it was, so I hope. I don't know if anyone else has done it. Okay, what we're gonna do is let's do a 1.5 scallop and a 1-inch punch. So I did scallop, scallop, and then a 1 punch. So let's do opposite, because we're going to try to do opposite on this one over here. Okay. So we're going to do a scallop. I'd love to get the most out of my glitter paper as possible. I don't know if I can get a scallop out of here or not. Let's see, let's see. No, but that's okay. We can just do that in gold and then another gold scallop, because it'll be on the back. So then we can do that, like opposites. So you'll need this, and then when you do your pinwheel, make sure it's even square. So it can be 2 inches by 2 inches, which I think I've done that, and it's pretty tiny, but it works. And then you do 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 4 by 4, 5 by 5, whatever. I don't think I've ever done it bigger than this, so don't know. Okay, so you're gonna want your punches. I have a pokey tool, so any pokey tool will work. Paper straw. I love these. These are from Dollar Tree. These mamas are sturdy, and it came with 14 of them. And then your pom-poms. Ah, mine's rolling away. And your toothpick. Dun, 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 dun. Every time I turn this camera on, I have to pee so hardcore. So, I have not done this with tape, but we're going to try it. And then I'm going to show you where to punch it and all that. Oh, I love this thing. Do you see that? It is a super duper tiny hole punch. And I use that on the ends, but you don't have to. I feel like I have a spy upstairs creeping on me. Okay. So we're going to have to remember, so this is our opposite. So we're going to want to do it that way. And that kind of helped guide how I wanted my stitches, but since maybe not everybody has a sewing machine, but they still want to do this. So what I'm thinking is, since we have to cut it on this way, maybe we'll just do like that. Let's see.
Here.
Hi, baby girl.
These don't fit me.
I know they don't fit. Okay, hold on. I'm doing a video, baby girl. Okay, and then maybe like around. Oh, really? I ran out of tape already? Of course. Maybe around.
Hi, everybody.
Because you don't want to cut
Stop.
Do you know what? Oh gosh, I hope you guys can see that. Have I been showing you? I probably haven't. I'm sitting my fat you-know-what down and not paying attention. Okay, so I just taped around here.
Where did you find these
Not all the
ballet
way.
shoes?
Not all the way. Baby, hold on. They were mine when I was little, I think. I don't know. But don't get any tape here, 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 or here. Definitely not in the middle, because you're going to want to punch in there and it's going to be hard. So let's do this exactly. Let's hope it's exact. Okay. So we got that. Now we're going to want to find the center. I believe it should be right about there. So punch that. I think that should be right. Down a little. I think that's right. Okay. Should be right. Oh, great. I don't know. Hold on. Let me measure. Yeah, that's about right. Okay. Push that all the way down. So now you know where you're going to cut. I used to be able, when I did this first, I would take a ruler and draw my lines that way with the pencil and then erase it lightly. But we're going to have a good time winging it. So you don't want to go all the way up. And if it's not enough, then you can go back. It looks like that. I really hope I'm in frame. If you guys want me to show you how I did it with the sewing machine, let me know. I will try my hardest. I don't know if I'm that good of a tutorial maker. Okay. Now, I have this. If you don't, just do your holes. You can use a needle even. Okay? But what I'm going to do, and make sure if you punch it on the right corner here, you punch it on the right corner here. Or left. It doesn't matter. We can do left today and see what happens. I think it would be just fine. I don't think it really matters. So, let's do left. Don't get it to where it's gonna freaking bust out when you put the toothpick through. Do all of the corners. And then this. Okay, what I do next is I take my straw and I use my pokey. I'm sure, like, what are they called? Awls? Or pokey tools. Kind of go straight through. Okay. And then you take your toothpick. Oh, great. We forgot these. So poke that in the middle. I like to do mine like kind of first this way, so I know where that goes, because sometimes I can't tell what the heck I'm doing. Oh my. Then about there, that's good, and that should be good. Tomorrow's Friday, yay! I have plans with my girlfriends. My dad's gonna pick up the kids. Okay, so you don't have to do this part first, but you can. Stick that there. This is gonna be the back. There. Okay, and then we're just gonna put our things on. I was gonna call them petals. They're not petals, they're... This is the part where You don't want it to break. So make sure you have some leeway, because if not... And that's what kind of why I like sewing it, because the thread kind of gave it a barrier. Da 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 da! Look at that! Okay, then we're gonna put our pink. And then we're gonna put our gold. Give it a little hold. And then we're gonna go through the back. I hope you guys can see everything I'm doing. Oh, good. We're gonna go through the back and then kind of squeeze it, but not too much. And there it is. Okay, and what I did to secure it was I used my pom-poms. Purple, pink. Oh, let's do pink. So what I do is I snip it off at a good, right about there. Timba! And then I put my hot glue on there because it doesn't make it as messy and you can get a tighter grip. So really push that and squeeze it. And don't burn yourself. So he's really on there. And then the same back here. This can be your pom-pom, you don't care what color it is, because nobody will really see it. And then there you go. How freaking cute. Like I said, I don't know if I came up with this. I think I did in my head. Look how cute. And I just added tassels and I put it around. Sorry, had a phone call. Annoying. Anyway, I can say that because I don't like who was calling. I don't care about them. I mean, that was rude. I don't care to talk to them. How about that? So, which one do you like? I love them. Oopsie. I love them. I love them. And then that's a fun way to like move. And here's my prototype. It's so tiny now and it looks so plain compared to these two. But I really like that sewed one. But if you don't have a sewing machine, that's okay. So let me know. And thanks for watching, guys. Bye.